Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel Learn with Priya. In today's video, we are going to explore the key differences between a data analyst, a data scientist, and a data engineer. With so much talk about data science nowadays, it is important to understand which role involves what skill set, and that's exactly what we will cover today. So let's break it down. We all have heard about data engineers, data analysts, and data scientists in the job market. But what do these roles actually involve? And did you know that in 2024, these data related professions have seen an increase in the demand and the salary packages by approximately 30%? But why is that? And which career you should choose? We will get into that too. So, first of all, let's start by talking about artificial intelligence AI, which is often associated with data science. But what exactly is AI and how does it fit into the bigger picture? So, artificial intelligence is the stimulation of human intelligence by machines, enabling the machines to learn, make decisions, and solve complex world problems. We see AI all around. On the right hand side, you have various examples that I have provided. For example, chatbots like ChatGPT, Bing. We have recommendation engines like Netflix. Based on what you have searched or watched yesterday, it will recommend you the next movies to watch today. Self-driving cars like Tesla and voice assistants like Siri, Alexa. So these all are real life examples of AI in action. Now let's talk about the another subset, machine learning, which is a subset of AI. It uses machine learning basically, it uses advanced algorithms to identify patterns in large data sets. The machine then learns and adapts based on this data. The machine learning methods can be categorized into three types. The first one is the supervised learning. So in this type of learning, the data is labeled and the model is trained to predict the outcomes. For example, predicting whether a student will pass or fail based on how many hours the student have left or studied. Then comes the second category, which is unsupervised learning. In this case, the data is unlabeled and the machine identifies patterns on its own. For example, grouping customers based on their purchasing behavior or trends. The last one is the reinforcement learning. In this, the machine learns by interacting with the environment and receiving the feedback, like the recommendation engines that we talked just a few seconds ago on platforms like Amazon. So that's all about machine learning. Next, we have deep learning. So deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning, it mimics the human brain using neural networks to process and analyze data. These networks, they have multiple layers, each learning increasingly complex features from the raw data. Basically, there are examples of deep learning where we have artificial neural networks, ANNs, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, which is RNN. Next, we have generative AI, which is a more creative branch of artificial intelligence. This technology creates new content such as text, images, audio, and video based on the patterns it learns. A great example of this is ChatGPT, where the AI generates responses based on the massive data sets. So, how do all of these fields, which is AI, ML, deep learning, generative AI, relate to data science? Simply put, data science is the application of mathematical and statistical tools like calculus, linear algebra, probability to analyze data and draw the insight. Now, when you combine data science and machine learning, you unlock the full potential of data-driven insights and predictive modeling. So, next, what exactly these roles do. Let's dive into the specifics of their professions and roles and responsibilities. First, data engineers. They are responsible for building the infrastructure needed to collect, store, and process large amounts of data. This is a critical role that involves a lot of programming and ensuring the data is clean and stable for analysis. Next, data analysts. Basically, DAs, they focus on interpreting the data, cleaning and transforming it, and most importantly, telling a story with it. They use data visualization tools and insights to make business critical decisions. This role requires some programming skills, but is often considered less technical than data engineering or data science roles. The third one, data scientists. So take it a step further by building predictive models using machine learning algorithms. They often create models that predict future trends based on the historical data, and they even perform sometimes A/B testing to test various hypotheses. So, and it's very important and it's worth noting that in startup roles, in startups, the role of, let's say, data cleaning and transformation and analysis and labeling or predictive modeling may overlap. For example, one person might be doing all of these tasks, storing the data, cleaning it, analyzing it, and even building the predictive models. But in larger organizations, these roles are usually more specialized. Okay, so by now you should have a better understanding of what data engineers, data analysts, and data scientists do and how AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI fit into the mix. I hope this video helped clarify some of these concepts. If you found it useful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content on topics like SQL, data science, and beyond. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.